Hey, it's me, Randy. I've got the Loytio store air purifier. Look at this thing. According to literature, this uses a HEPA active carbon filter and can capture 99.7% of all particles in the air that measure less than 0.3 microns. Interesting. Let's check it out. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Let's see what we got here. Packed very nicely. Nice box, styrofoam. Let's get this little thing here that tells you the power adapter is somewhere inside of the machine. You can see there's no cord right here, and we'll check that out. We'll find that, and we have a set of instructions. First of all, plastic. Seems pretty sturdy. The fan on top, thing on the bottom for your filter. Let's twist it to open. There we go. There's our charging cable and our filter. Look at that. We're gonna plug this guy in. This cable's pretty long. I'm 6 foot tall. My arm's wide. I'm gonna say this is a 6 foot cable on here. That just plugs into an outlet. Here we have the HEPA active carbon filter, very lightweight. You can see inside of there, typical filter. This is going to walk you through the 5 stages of filtration. So we'll put that back in there. It's got little slots on here. So line the slots up, close it. On the front, we got our power button. On the back is where our adapter plugs in, and we'll plug this guy in. Now, this thing will service a 302 square foot room. This is about a 17 by 17 room. So it's got 3 different modes on here. It's got a sleep mode, which is the lowest level of filtration. It's something you want to have on at night because it's also the quietest mode that you get with it. So it's got sleep, it's got low, a little bit louder, and it's got high filtration mode. You definitely hear that cooking. And one of the cool features on here, if you just pull this lid off the top, if you have any type of essential oils that you like, any kind of scent that you like, you can put 2 to 3 drops in here. It'll filtrate the air and kick out the essential oil smell. That's kind of a neat idea, I think. It's got rubber feet on the bottom, which I think is cool too. Keeps it from sliding around. Simple to use, simple to set up. All you just plug it in. You got 3 power settings, and it's good to go. It's lightweight, it looks good. I like the white color, goes with anything. Something like this would be great for the home, great for the office, great for a bedroom, a spare room, great for pet odor, great for any type of odor that you want to remove. But there it is, the Loytio store air purifier. Check it out, and thanks for watching.